Hello students, now today we are going to continue with our polynomial, division of polynomials. First, I'll do the homework questions which I have given you. Solution, I am showing you how to do it. First one, I have written the format because it is in the proper order, degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Here also degree 2 and degree 0. So here 1 degree is missing, but it will not make much difference. Be careful when you are writing the numbers. Here I show you x cube and x square. Okay, x cube, x square, we have 1 degree x missing. So x into x square will become x power 3 and x into 2 will become 2x. We will write 2x here below 5x, not over here. Okay, this you should be careful. And positive plus minus minus. Now after putting the line, we have to change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this will be eliminated. Plus plus, we have to add 5 plus 2, 7x. And then we will take as it is down, that is minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. This also I am taking it down together. Okay. Now here in this case we have minus. So we will take minus. The first term sign will be the sign of the question. Now here number 3 is there, where here number is missing. So we will take as number as it is. X square degree is same, no need of putting x. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 and minus minus plus. So plus 6. Okay. Now we have to change the sign. This will become plus, this will become minus. Eliminated. This as it is 7x will come down over here. Minus minus we will add 6 plus 3, 9. 6 is greater having minus sign. So this is the remainder polynomial and this is the question polynomial. Okay, this much is clear. Now we will do the other question. See, in this I have not written in the standard form because here degree 4 and directly degree 1. We have to write in the standard form. Here also we have to rearrange. X square will come first and 2 is the constant term, it will go back. So x power 4, missing terms we have to take plus 0 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. In divisor, if the degree is missing, it will not make much difference. We have to be careful when we are writing. But if in missing term is there in the dividend, there will be a problem while I am solving. So better you write the missing numbers. Now here minus x square plus 2. Okay, just I am taking the term as it is. 2 was positive, so plus 2. X square was negative, so minus x square. Okay. Now be careful when you are writing over here. In this case, here I told you the sign of the first term will be the sign of the question. Here, because first term is negative, we will take the opposite sign. Okay. So here first term is x power 4. Yeah, first term is x square. So if I am taking x square into x square, x power 4. And if I am taking directly x square, it will become minus. Okay. And when we are solving, it will become sign change. So it will not be a problem. So I told you we have to take the opposite. So here x power 4 was positive, so we will take it negative. Okay. This you have to be careful when the first term of divisor is negative. When we are doing the sum, first term, whatever the sign is there, we have to take the opposite in the question. So here first term is positive, so I will take negative. So minus minus will become plus. X square into 2 is 2x square. Okay, minus plus minus. Now we will change the sign. So it will become minus, this will become plus, this will be eliminated. Next, 0, not making much difference if you take it down or not. Directly I can take this. 0 plus 2 will be 2x square. Then I will take minus 5x plus 6. I am taking all the terms down. Okay. Now first term is positive 2. So we will take negative. Okay. We have to take opposite. Here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. The whole 2 will come over here. Degree x square is same. So 2 into x square, 2x square minus minus will become plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus plus will become minus. Now sign change. So this will become minus, this will become plus. This eliminated, this will be minus 5x. Plus and plus we will add plus 10. This will be remainder. Therefore, quotient polynomial qx equals to x square minus 2 minus x square minus 2 and rx equals to minus 5x plus 2. Okay, clear this much? Here also we can write it. Quotient polynomial is equal to x minus 3 and remainder polynomial is equal to 7x minus 9. See, if you have already done, please cross check your sum. If it is a mistake, do it once again and follow the step. Again I am giving you 3 more questions of division. That one I will show you how to do and 2 I will give you as homework. Okay. See, the second question is check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. The full question is like this. Okay, if you want to find the factor, it should be fully divisible. There should be no remainder. Okay, then we can say yes, it is a factor. If it is a remainder, then we will say it is not a factor. Okay, here they have specified by dividing, so we have to use long division. Otherwise, like in 9th standard you are doing, to find the factor, we will just put in the value of that particular term in the place of the variable. Okay, here we have to divide, so we have to do it. There were 3 questions. This is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. The first polynomial and second polynomial, we have to divide this by the first one, this by this one. If it is fully divisible, then it is a factor. If it is not fully divisible, it is not a factor. Okay, there are 3 questions. One I will do for you for practice and the other 2 you will do by yourself. Question I am keeping as it is, you can take from the video directly. I am not giving you extra worksheet. So here, which one you will do? I think better I will do the third one, because here again missing factor is there. That is x power 5 and then directly we have 3. Okay, we have power 3. So we will write 0 x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, and here this has to be divided by x cube minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now first we will start with first term x cube, first term x power 5. See, here the first term is positive, so we will use the sign of the first term in the dividend in the question. Okay, last exercise which I have given you as homework, in that I have specified clearly when the first term of divisor is positive, it should be taken the same dividend sign. If it is negative, we have to take the opposite sign. Here also we have positive, so we will take the same sign. Here first term is x power 5, here first term is x3, missing is x square. Okay, now this will be positive, same sign. Okay, x square into x cube will be x power 5, x square into 3x. See, we have multiplied 3 into x, 3x into x square, 3x cube. Okay, plus into minus, minus, x square into 1 square. So it will be x square, plus into plus, plus. Here missing, I have not mentioned anything. Now we have to change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Eliminated. Now minus plus minus, 4 में से 3 जाएगा, x cube अकेला बचेगा, 4 and 3 में से 4 बड़ा है, minus x cube plus x square minus x square eliminated. Next we will take plus 3x plus 1. See, I am not taking 0, no need. If it is given the number, we will write here. Confusion नहीं होनी, नहीं है तो फिर इसको लेने की भी जरूरत नहीं. Now x cube and x cube same term, so here it is minus, so minus x cube, 1 is x cube, we have to write 1, so that 1 x cube, 1 is x cube, minus plus minus, then minus 3x, because it is 1, same numbers will come, but sign will change, because minus minus will become plus, minus plus will become minus, 1 ones are 1. Okay, now sign change, this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. This eliminated plus minus, plus plus we have to add 1 plus 1 2. Now we had a remainder 2, therefore we will say it is not a factor of polynomial. Okay, if the remainder would be 0, it is a factor of polynomial. If the remainder is not 0, it is not a factor of polynomial. This will be our final statement. In the first 2 questions also you discuss in my next video. Okay, this is the last part for today. Here on question number 3 I have not done that. I will give you in the next video. Now this one, question number 4, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by polynomial gx, that is the divisor polynomial. The quotient polynomial is this one and the remainder polynomial is this one. We have to find that divisor. Okay, now as I have learnt in the lower class also, in first class and real number also I have given you the pattern. A equals to bq plus r, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same thing we have to use that formula. In lower class we have done dividend is what, px, okay, equals to divisor gx into quotient qx plus remainder rx. ओके, यही फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. हम फर्स्ट लेसन में a इक्वल्स टू b q प्लस r लिखते थे. लोअर क्लासेस में हम डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर लिखते थे. वही चीज हम अब इसमें पॉलिनोमियल में पैटर्न लिखेंगे. px इक्वल्स टू gx इनटू qx प्लस rx. ओके, नाउ वी हैव द पॉलिनोमियल दैट इज x क्यूब minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals to gx we don't know, so let it be as it is. We know the qx, that is x minus 2 plus remainder polynomial is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, now first one what we have to do, ये जो प्लस है वो सबसे पहले उस तरफ चला जाएगा. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this positive, will become negative. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 एक ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया. ओके, ये पॉजिटिव है, इधर आके नेगेटिव बन रहा है, इसलिए वापस ब्रैकेट में लिख रही हूँ. माइनस 2x प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू gx इंटू x माइनस 2. मल्टीप्लीकेशन हम बाद में कर देते हैं, इक्वेशन ऐसे में हम सॉल्व कर देते हैं. प्लस माइनस को पहले करेंगे, मल्टीप्लीकेशन फिर करेंगे. ओके, तो अभी इसमें इक्वेशन में वी हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. सो इट विल बी x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 2 माइनस माइनस प्लस 2x, बाहर माइनस से साइन चेंज होगा, ब्रैकेट खोलेगा तो माइनस 4. ओके, दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये इधर पे डिवीजन बनेगा. x माइनस 2 इक्वल्स टू gx. ओके, नाउ gx का वैल्यू निकालना है तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन इधर पे डिवाइड, एट नॉट वी हैव टू डिवाइड. ओके, सो फॉर डिवीजन x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x plus 2x, x plus 2x will become 3x, so we'll directly write 3x. Okay, then plus 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2, 2, and sign will be minus because 4 is greater. Okay, now I have just added the like terms. 2x plus x will become 3x, minus 4 plus 2 will become minus 2. Other terms are similar, so we are now dividing, that is x minus 2 is the divisor. After dividing x, x cube, we will get x square. X square into x will be x cube. X square into 2 will be 2x square. Okay, then sign will be minus. Now change the sign. This will be minus. This will be plus. Eliminated. Minus plus minus. Then is x square बचेगा. 3 बड़ा है minus. Next term plus 3x. So minus से first term तो minus हो जाएगा. X and x square को we will take again x. X into x is x square. Minus plus minus. X into 2 is 2x. Minus minus plus, sign change, plus minus, eliminated, plus minus minus, this will be x minus 2, see as it is, so plus 1, because first term is positive, plus 1, 1x minus 2, now sign change, this will become minus and plus, eliminate 0. Okay, so the final answer, therefore gx equals to x square minus x plus 1. This is the final answer. After dividing whatever the answer you are getting is called as gx. This is the way we have to do. Okay, इसकी जैसे एक होमवर्क क्वेश्चन मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दूँगी. This much I think it is clear. Once again I explain. We will write px equals to gx into qx plus rx. पहला जो प्लस है उसको हम इधर लेकर के माइनस करें. इन शॉर्ट से आपने इक्वेशन में क्या होगा, 3x minus 4 equals to 7. तो माइनस 4 हम पहले लेके जाते हैं. 3x equals to 7 plus 4, फिर बाद में 3x equals to 11, फिर x equals to 11 upon 3. वही पैटर्न हम इसमें यूज करेंगे. where we will do the negative number will become या पॉजिटिव है, इधर आके नेगेटिव हो गया, ब्रैकेट खुला, उसके बाद जो है इधर मल्टीपल वो इधर आके डिवीजन बना, जो दी है जैसे डिवीजन बना, यही पैटर्न पे हम जैसे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं उस तरह से सॉल्व करना है. ओके, it is very easy. When you will do once or twice, you will come to know how to do. Now I will give you this type of question also afterwards, but now this is the exercise question, so you can do it as a notebook classwork, or you can write it as homework and do it once again. This sum has to be done in your notebook. Okay, thank you now.